Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Riverside County Mountains. Wind advisory in effect until noon. Thursday. Tonight, clear. Lows 28 to 38. Areas of winds east 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts to 45 miles an hour. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs 56 to 62. Areas of winds east 20 to 30 miles an hour. Gusts to 45 miles an hour, becoming 40 miles an hour in the afternoon. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows 32 to 42. Areas of winds east 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to 30 miles an hour. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Santa Ana Mountains and Foothills. Wind advisory in effect until noon. Thursday. Tonight, clear. Lows 43 to 51. Areas of winds northeast 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts to 40 miles an hour. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs 68 to 75. Areas of winds northeast 20 to 30 miles an hour. Gusts to 45 miles an hour, becoming 35 miles an hour in the afternoon. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows 46 to 54. Areas of winds northeast 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to 30 miles an hour.